Hi folks, in the description for this video you'll find the links to the PDF guide on how to measure yourself or others for a basic Viking age tunic or dress, and a separate link that contains the measurement record sheet that goes with it, so you can have that for easy printing if you wish. There's not a great deal of difference in how you take measurements for a tunic or a dress. The main difference is being the length and the circumference of the hem. So this guide should come in handy whichever you're making. Please feel free to share it any way you think that it's going to be helpful. This PDF guide goes along with the second video in my series on how to make a simple Viking age tunic or dress. That video is linked up here. If you'd like the introduction to the series so that you can see what to expect from each stage, you can find that here. And the full playlist containing all the videos, once it's all finished, will be here. I hope you're going to find it a useful guide. It contains some additional information on how each measurement is used when you're drawing out your pattern diagrams. Now that's what we're going to cover in the next video, and there'll be a PDF that goes along with that as well, but this should give you some idea of how those measurements are going to be used that you can refer back to quickly. So have a fabulous day everybody. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. I hope you're all absolutely lovely. Bye.